Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in this edition of not today's newspaper. No, it's the weekend edition. The weekend edition, Saturday, May the 11th, 2024. It's today, actually Sunday, and we have here in this additional three puzzles done. Yeah, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiba block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 8520. 8520. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 13. I think it's easier than the 4 stars. Yeah, for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 star, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Let me check for single boxes. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1 is already given, so this should be the 2 and the 3. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. It should be a 5 here. Here, another triple box. I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 again. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes? Here, another T shape, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and this box is connected with that box should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. Those two boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. This box can be 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 4. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. And now, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that box can be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left of the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 2 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then, let me see. Come on. Well. I need to think here. The difficult part. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here, is connected with that box, should be so 1. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, let me mark those 2 and 5. That means, let let me see, that this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Cannot be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, we have a double 5 there, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape, 4 numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here and the 5 goes there, 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see, alright, come on. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this area. Supposed to be him. Yeah. 5. Come on, 4. I need to think here. Need to think here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 4. If I place a 4 here, then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here or there then. Well, we have a 4 here, so here can be 4, and we have a 4 there, so here can be a 4. So, don't think the 4 should be here, the only place left of the 4 then, supposed to be here then. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on. Need a 5 here. This can be a 5. So the 5 should be here or there. Yeah, I need to think. Come on. Well. No 3 here. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that box cannot be a 5. Because if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there then. That means that this box cannot be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. How about the 2 now? I need a 2 here. Need a 1 here. Come on, the difficult part. Is the 1. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. This box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. Only place left with 1 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5 in this area. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be also be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 4. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Sunday.